What is going on, everyone? So, as you all know, it's the weekend. I usually don't record on weekends. I've been on vacation. I've been in the woods. I just got back. I literally just stepped foot in my house. And now I kind of got pressured into recording this video because there's some little ass clown talking bad about me and saying things, but I do have a warning. A warning that I have to issue to all of my apes and even to this ass clown that's kind of trying to attack me on his channel. It appears that he's a fanboy, a subscriber of mine based on, now I gathered this based on what I've heard him say in his videos. Looks like he's been subbed and following me for a long time. We are going to address that. Before we do though, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, because the YouTube algorithm will love that, and spread this with a ton of apes that really need to watch this video because it is important. Of course, if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I drop content just like this Monday through Friday, sometimes on the weekends, you know, just like now, when an emergency, when something important pops up. So this guy that we're talking about today, I'm going to go ahead and say his name. His name is the Ape Father, self-proclaimed, of course. He's the self-proclaimed Ape Father, but he's told us already. He's told you guys, because I don't really watch his channel, but I went back, watched some of his videos, and it looks like he said that he sold out of his AMC position. Then he started saying that he got into GME, but now he's telling you guys, hey, I'm holding Amy. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me be clear. When I say Amy, because this douchebag put out a video talking about Top Taker Trades, which is me, in case you didn't know, is buying AME instead of AMC. He's buying the wrong stock. He doesn't know what the hell's going on. This imbecile, this buffoon, apparently he didn't know that when YouTubers say AME, they are referencing AMC stock. Now, he went onto his channel, and I wanted to let all 93 viewers know, because he only got like 93 views on that. I shouldn't even be addressing this, but what the hell. Maybe I can help him out and help him get a few views, since he doesn't get any, because his content is absolutely no good. It's disgusting, disgraceful, it sucks, and it just sucks. Yeah, what else can I say? This douchebag, he started telling all of you guys, all 93 of you, okay, that chose to watch his video, and this is who I'm addressing today. If you're not one of those 93, well, maybe you could, like, click off and not waste your time. But 93 people saw this, and they believe that I'm buying the wrong stock. Okay, if they believe what this ass clown is saying. They believe that I'm buying AME. What the hell is AME? I don't even know. I don't know if the ticker symbol actually exists, or if it's made up, or what. Simply, all I did was say, hey, AME stock, and I'm referencing AMC, and this ass clown, just to get some views that he actually didn't get, went on his channel. He tagged me in the title, saying Top Ticker Trades is buying the wrong stock. He's buying AME, not AMC. Apparently, the Ape Father, as he calls himself, has not been in the loop. He did not get the memo, okay? When I talk about AME, I'm referencing AMC, and I hate to be redundant here, but this guy just doesn't seem to understand. He has not washed his brain out with soap, which is probably the problem. So he's telling you guys that I've been buying AME and all this other crap, but I think, and this is just my theory, but I'm pretty sure, you know, my theory is correct here, okay? This guy, he's the type, the Ape Father is the type that goes on YouTube and he watches other YouTubers, and when they say, hey man, get into this position, this is going to explode, well, he goes and puts his entire life savings into that position. So since he's been subbed to me for a very long time, he's been watching my videos, and maybe he doesn't understand my accent. So when I say Amy, and, you know, he didn't get the memo, and he didn't understand my accent. So he thought that I was talking about AME, and he went and bought this ticker, a whole crap load of it, put his whole life savings into it. Now he's in deep crap because he's been buying the wrong stock. Okay, update. This dude's been buying the wrong stock. because he can't do his own DD, because he's just not intelligent enough. He doesn't know what to do on his own when it comes to the stock market. He does not understand fundamentals. He does not understand AMC. He does not understand GME. He's not even in AMC. Okay, he already said a long time ago that he's sold out, but now he's making videos talking about how he's holding forever. He's even made videos talking about how his wife left him because he sold all of his AMC, and the card that she has that belongs to him because he gave her his debit card, and all of that money that he has in his Robinhood account, or had in his Robinhood account. That's where he was holding Amy stock. Got transferred into his bank account, and his wife took it when she took the minivan and his dog and his 2 kids or whatever. I don't know. You're going to have to go back and watch his videos if you want to give him that attention. But he did say this, okay? He said he was having a very rough day. And his wife took the minivan and the debit card that had all of his life savings from his Robinhood account that were transferred on after he sold and transferred his funds. Yeah, she took that. Okay. And then all of a sudden he's back with his wife, but we've never actually seen it, or at least I haven't seen her. So, like, does this dude even have a wife? Like, what's going on, okay? You're saying you're holding Amy. You're saying you're not. You're saying you sold. Now you're saying that, man, I'm holding with you apes forever. But, well, I'm actually an AMC ape. Well, no, I'm not. I'm a GME ape now. But, well, I'm back with the AMC apes. But I'm with the GME apes. Well, we should hold both. We should hold one. Which is it, flip-flop? Like, I named him flip-flop in the last video because this dude flips and he flops. One day he's on your side, the next day he's on Ken Griffin's team. I mean, I don't know what to make of this Ape Father. All I know is that the content he has on his channel is a little inappropriate. I told my children they are not allowed to watch it because, and if I catch them watching it, I'm going to block their YouTube on their phones, and I'm going to put parental controls on it, okay? Anyhow, this guy, the Ape Father, the self-proclaimed Ape Father, he's been attacking me, saying things that are just not true. He's calling me white trash. He's saying I look like Brad Pitt, and that's a freaking insult, bro, because I look better than Brad Pitt, but thanks for, like, at least trying to make me feel good. He in his diss video on me, initially he apologizes. Then he apologizes to all the apes. Then he starts calling me a buffoon, only after I called him a buffoon first on my video that came out. He's challenged. I'm gonna say that, okay? Because I'm trying to be nice. And I'm trying to be nice to this guy. He's a little bit slow. But all of us are. We're all apes, right? We all color with yellow crayons. We try to stay within the lines. But we all had issues in kindergarten, right? That's why we're all apes right now. We're the dumb money. But this guy is dumber money. That's what I would, refer to him as, is dumber money. He's not dumb money, he's dumber. Because he's dumber than all of us. He's trying to come attack top ticker trades. He's trying to come attack me. But he does not even know what in the hell he's talking about. Because he doesn't even understand what in the hell it means when a YouTuber says Amy. And I'm not the only YouTuber that references AMC stock by referring to it as Amy. Like, so many other YouTubers have done this, okay? Big YouTubers, small YouTubers. Trace Trades, okay? He's got how many subs? And he refers to AMC stock as Amy. But then this ass clown comes out and even puts it in his own title. And if you haven't read the comments, good lordy, that's what really, really entertained me when I started reading his comments on just that video. Now, I've got other videos of this guy's that I need to respond to. Go ahead and give him some views because he's complaining, thinking that YouTube is shadow blocking him because my video got, X amount of views, but his only got like 100 and something. Not YouTube shadow blocking you, bruh. It's because your content stinks. You don't know how to use tags in your description. You don't even know how to write a proper description. That may be the problem. And also, it would also probably help. You know, I'd like to give you some advice because I want you to get some more views, because a lot of your ex subs are coming to my channel after you started trying to, you know, diss me. Okay, maybe you should try to go from portrait. Let me say it like 3 times so this dude can understand. Portrait orientation to landscape. And in case you didn't know what that means because you're lacking intelligence, turn your phone sideways when you're recording. Okay, that makes it go to landscape orientation. And then from there, maybe you could try to put like a thumbnail that's actually cool. And if we're given advice, maybe you could work on your titles a little bit. Your titles don't even contain your keywords, you know, for the most part. Okay, like AMC is not in most of your titles. You keep like referring to yourself in your titles, talking about Ape Father. Like, no one cares about the Ape Father. You're not famous. You're not a superstar. You're not Superman. You're not a superhero. Nobody is searching for the Ape Father in the YouTube search, which is probably why you're not getting any views. Now, if you put like AMC or something, I understand you're going to get more views when you put my name in your title. You know, that's probably why you got more, like, you know, 3 times the views on those videos. But I'm not a miracle worker. Like, I can't bring subs to your channel just by you using my name because your content sucks so bad. But yeah, that's just, you know, some advice that I can give you, sir. You could try using that advice. And if you need my help, brother, look, just email me. I'll be happy to help you work on your description in your videos. More than happy to provide you with, you know, the tags you should use and help you work on your titles. And then you'll get more views so that when you're dissing me on your videos, more people will actually see it, because people just aren't interested. Excuse me, I take those words back. When I say people, I'm talking about the apes. The apes are not interested in what the hell you have to say because you have no credibility. You have 0 credibility. You've already told the apes that you've sold out. You've told the apes that your wife left you because you sold out. Then all of a sudden you go back and start acting like nothing ever happened. Like, yeah, I'm still holding. Yeah, I've got so many shares. And then he tries to go and tell every ape out there that's watching his channel, which is like 10 of them or something maybe, that Top Ticker Trades only holds like 10 shares of AMC and all that. Bro, you told everybody you're selling out. Then you told everybody you did sell out. Then you told everybody your wife left you because you sold out. And then you start telling people that I only hold like 5, maybe 10 shares. Man, get out of here, you little wacky wacko.